Disclaimer: I do not own any music or pictures in my YouTube videos. Any other YouTube videos I am going to do. All rights go to the makers. I do not claim any rights as my own. Thank you. Mr. T. Oh. Hi. I opened up another pack. Booster pack with Shining Bakers. Booster pack. All ripped stuff. And here's the card. Lunanite Purple Butterfly. Digital Bug Cocoon Dancer. Cocoon Dancer. Lunanite Blue Cat. Raptor Ultimate Falcon. Umbrage Raft. World Heavyweight World Carried Weight Champion. Okay. Kenju Files. Performial Shell Crab. And Co's you can see the name of it. Cosmo Yoing. Yeah. I'll just put it in my box. And then soon, when I get the card by Hydrogen to go through quick on Palpatine. It's done faster. Yeah.